A very warm welcome to you. Many thanks for finding time to join us on the program this week. Here is hoping that you're keeping and staying safe with your family. It's a duty we owe each other in this challenging time. My name is Lucy Olugbe. Welcome to the show. On the lineup this week, we'll bring you a continuation of our special reports on cutting-edge motor insurance products in the Nigerian insurance industry. This report will showcase some of the leading insurance companies who are changing the auto insurance space with amazing innovations to make life easier for the insured. Today, we will speak with Mr. Dele Oyetunji, the Chief Marketing Officer of UNITRUST Insurance Company Limited, and Mr. Adeniran Adeyemi, Unit Head Motor Underwriting, ALLIANZ Motor Insurance PLC. Here's what they said about their products. To take a listen.
UNITRUST is not one of the insurance companies. We assume this confidence, and we try as much as possible to establish, obtain the necessary documentation prior to incepting cover. And once that has been done, we are sure of that. That we're going to pay you at the time of loss, and that speaks for us in the industry. Of course, claims, we will see it, and testimonies also abound in this way, because we don't even deny people of their right as the claimant, when it comes to, the loss arises. So you have that confidence, and we've done this over the years, and we are not tired of doing so.
In our business, we have a mantra. Whatever document you do not request at inception of insurance, you do not come and request for it at claim. You simply settle your customer's claim. That being said, in 2019, as a business, we set out to wow our customers in claim settlement. We decided to try to reduce the length of time that it takes to settle a motor insurance claim. I'm happy to inform you that in 2019, we settled a total of about 831 claims within 24 hours.
What more can I say than to urge you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the lineup. Details in just a moment. Please stay with us. A variety of breakthrough technologies are fundamentally transforming the insurance industry globally, and Nigeria is no exception. Today, in the insurance landscape, you hear of technological innovations such as cloud computing, the Internet of Things, telematics, artificial intelligence, etc. These technologies are providing new ways for insurers to measure, control, price risk, engage with their customers, reduce costs, improve efficiency, and expand insurability. These technologies are also enabling the creation of new insurance products, services, and business models for the benefit of the customers. Traditional insurers are innovating through technology and reinventing their products and services to meet the ever-changing needs of the 21st century customers. One of the fundamental areas where technology and innovation is revolutionizing the business of insurance in Nigeria is in the auto space. Most insurance companies have left no stone unturned at innovating their motor insurance products to ensure that their customers have a wonderful experience from start to finish in the event of a loss. We present some of the leading insurance companies in the Nigerian insurance market with cutting-edge motor insurance products in part 2 of our series.
For UNITRUST Insurance Company, we had anticipated even before the lockdown, and we are in tune with what the digital disruption is like, and we had also started with developing a platform within which to sell our motor insurance products, especially with the third party. With third party insurance, from hand to hand, you can generate an insurance policy and using a platform of whether payment platform of a scratch card or through InterSwitch. That's a ATM card. So if you go through it, you'll be able to generate this our motor insurance without any hitches. And again, in the area of innovation, we also look at the area of getting our customers comfort. Getting them to notify us of any claim without necessarily needing to come to us. That is also on our website. You can do that on our website successfully, and you'll get response as well as required. And that has played out very well in the and we're also intending to go further to developing more applications to to sell this motor insurance, especially because it's simple, and also have put in place a team of surveyors that do a lot of kind of inspection. When it comes to, as soon as you activate your policy on the platform, our team of inspectors are all very close to you to inspect your vehicles and fortify your policy as required. For now, it is not yet. We don't have that for now. But we are also working with some agencies who is also trying to collaborate to develop an app where whatever you are in the system, and as a customer, you can log into our system, generate our our policy, and having satisfied all the conditions of underwriting, then you have your policy insurance right at your doorstep. The concept of insurance, is our ability to pay claims. For UNITRUST, we assume that confidence in the market, and that itself gives us a hedge over other players in the market, because you have the confidence that if you come to this company, there's a claim, you are sure of payment of your claims promptly. And in addition to that, we have also considered as something of values to us is women drivers. We also believe that as women drivers, they are more careful, and so having drive for a whole year, we also give discount, in subsequent years. And also, we're also looking at no claim the bonus if you're rated adequately, not the rock bottom rate. You have that, as we consider, some level of discounts after 2 years of insuring with us, that further discount can be granted to you as an incentive. The one we're talking about is for women, then the other one is the, 2 years consecutive driving without a loss, discount. But you see, it also has to do with your negotiation. If you are taking every discount at the inception, it might be very difficult for you to get that kind of discount anyway. But for those that are paid adequately and rated well, then definitely you are entitled to that. We review all these policies every 2 years, and exactly that's exactly what I said about our third-party platform. Is end-to-end. From the data completion to generation of your certificate. You only have 2 options of payment, which is by our scratch card, or you pay with your ATM. So if you're going through the process, you don't need to get in touch with any of our contact centers to generate. It's seamless and is delivered to you right at your doorstep. If you observe, UNITRUST is not one of the insurance companies. We assume this confidence, and we try as much as possible to establish, obtain the necessary documentation prior to incepting cover. And once that has been done, we are sure of that. That we're going to pay you at the time of loss, and that speaks for us in the industry. Of course, claims, we will see it, and testimonies also abound in this way, because we don't even deny people of their right as the claimant, when it comes to the loss arises. So you have that confidence, and we've done this over the years, and we are not tired of doing it. While we're still compiling for the second quarter, for the first quarter we're able to pay over 270 million naira, and this also were paid even during the lockdown. We had been able to settle those claims without reaches, and like I said earlier, in terms of when it comes to claims, once the DV is there, we have timelines to meet, and that also established our confidence in the market. This could be as fast as 24 hours. But the issue is that we had put in place structures to run or to process claims. You have some level of authorities. You don't need to say that because my MD is not in town, everybody was so long that it falls within the approval limit of the people in charge. They take their, the claims are settled and processed without issues. So that's like I said, you have had claims that are settled within 24 hours. You have had claims that are settled that takes, depending on documentation. But as soon as documentation is established and DV is signed, we don't unnecessarily delay claims. And there are reasons that you could check it in the industry. You can also find out from the market what UNITRUST stand out to be in terms of claims payment. Reward, yeah. I had also mentioned it in the course of the interview that if you are a customer of ours and you have not demanded for the maximum discount at the beginning of the contract. At the end of each 2 years, we review our policy and also try to reward, those customers for having no claim within that period. And that, to some extent, that is working out. But in this age of time, you discover that even at the inception of the policy, the entire discount has been, everything has been taken, and you are comparing yourself with another insurance company, and if you don't grant it, of course, it's another company is waiting to pick it up. So, but for some of our real customers that understand what we stand for, we try as much as possible to reward them as appropriate. The online platform is working seamlessly, and the funny part of it is that when the platform was launched, our branches are doing far better than Lagos. For instance, if you look at our record, you have access to our record. Abuja had the best shot in terms of production from that platform. It shows that it's working outside Lagos. And, the likes of Port Harcourt also had the bite of it. Kano also had some sales on it. So it's really working. It's working outside. It's working worldwide. Even if you're outside Nigeria, you can as well access the platform and get it activated.
First of all, our car insurance is one of a kind in the industry. We have two flagship policies or products, the Allianz Classic product and the Allianz Premium product. These products came about after years of research and looking at what the public wants. There's several things in the motor insurance space that customers do not want to hear, especially when there's a claim or when they're trying to buy a policy. One of which is that when there's a claim, the customer gets deducted excess from whatever is settled to the customer. Our flagship policies don't have excesses, they don't have deductibles. When you have a claim and you come to us, we pay the total cost of the claim and charge nothing to the customer. Another one is that when you don't have a claim, you may not feel our service. So therefore, after 24 months of no claims, we pay back 15% of the total premium paid by the customer as cash back benefit to the customer. We don't make this payment, we don't use the payment as premium. We pay back actual cash to the customer. These are benefits that we have put in our products, especially to encourage customers to buy. Allianz is a global brand with presence in over 80 countries. 17 of those countries are in Africa. We are the world's largest investors, managing funds of over 764 billion euros for customers around the world. We are a country that is 130 years old in 2020, and so we have expertise and experience across different climates, across different countries of the world. In Nigeria, that experience has been brought to bear in the kind of business that we provide to our customers, the kind of solutions. The 15% discount for female drivers, the 15% discount for males above 45. The no claims cashback, which is 15% of total premium paid in 24 months, make us stand out. The no deductibles on our motor policies also means that when there's a claim, we pay 100%. We don't charge any policy excess. These are some of the things that make us stand out. Our Allianz Classic and Allianz Premium motor policies, which are our flagship motor policies, also come with personal accident benefits to our customers and the passengers in the vehicle. We also have a cash in lieu benefit for customers of our premium motor policies, where if you have a claim, between the time when you submit your claim and the time when we settle you, we pay you the cost of transportation anywhere in and around the country. And these benefits stand us out amongst our peers and amongst the products that are available in the market today. Our prices are very good, our rates are very competitive across our products, and we continue to do that. We continue to review as the business continues to innovate. We've gone up from 24 hours claim settlement to 60-minute claim settlements, which is a fantastic innovation in this our industry and our climate. And we say again, the trust our customers have put in us is the same trust we are extending to them when we offer this unbelievable service to them. These and many more stand us out from our peers in the industry today. In our business, we have a mantra. Whatever document you do not request at inception of insurance, you do not come and request for it at claim. You simply settle your customer's claim. That being said, in 2019, as a business, we set out to wow our customers in claim settlement. We decided to try to reduce the length of time that it takes to settle a motor insurance claim. I'm happy to inform you that in 2019, we settled a total of about 831 claims within 24 hours. All within 24 hours of receiving complete documentation. I mean, complete claim documentation from the customer. And this ran up to about 50 million naira in claim settlement within 24 hours. In February 2020, February 17th, 2020, we launched our 60-minute claim settlement campaign, where we set out to settle claims of 150,000 naira and below within 60 minutes. In 3 days of launching that, we settled 23 claims within 60 minutes. And that came up to about a little less than 1 million naira in claim settlement. We are a company known for claim settlement, not just for claim settlement, for prompt claim settlement. It is one of the services that we set out to give to our customers, one of the values that we want the customer to associate with the brand. We want you to trust us as much as we have trusted you to give us documentation that will help us settle these claims. We have evidence. I've just talked about 23 claims in 3 days. Between then and now, the numbers have gone up. It means that when there's an accident on the spot, you can take a picture. You can complete the forms either on our mobile app or the hard copy form that you have and send to us along with estimate of repairs. Once we get it, we don't adjust, we just settle within 150,000 naira and below. And it has happened, and it continues to happen. Also, this is being extended to other classes of insurance, not just motor. All other classes of insurance are going to enjoy the same benefit as we progress. It is for comprehensive motor insurance and third-party motor insurance inclusive. Now, we know from our experience that sometimes the third party may not be able to render documents supporting the claim in good time as our customers will. But this courtesy has been extended to our customers and to the third party, where the third party can fulfill the obligations within the stipulated time. We have policy purchase platform on our website, www.allianz.ng. When you go to the website, you can easily buy a motor insurance, fill in your details, send in pictures, make payment via the payment gateway platforms on the website, and your policies will be done, generated and sent to you. We also have rapid response riders. Now, our rapid response riders are branded Allianz bikers who use motorbikes to get to our customers. So when we do this process and we have any reason to want to see these vehicles, for example, we can easily send our rapid response riders to carry out that end of the process. So from the comfort of your office or your home, you can buy our products and our policies. Also, we have a mobile app that you can download on the iOS store or the Play Store. This mobile app also has end-to-end processes for purchasing insurance and for reporting claims. We continue to innovate, we continue to bring solutions to our customers, and digitally we are present. We will improve on it. We continue to improve on our presence digitally. We in fact have a few incentives on purchasing policies from our digital sites, and those are out in the public, in public domain. In 2016, we launched the loyalty program, where customers who have had motor insurance with us for 24 months, as a matter of fact, motor and home insurance, if you've had a policy with us for 24 months and you haven't had a claim, we return to you 15% of your total premium paid over that period. Now, it is called a no-claim cash back. The cashback reward system is not one where we convert the 15% into premiums. No. We do either a transfer to the customer's account or we issue a check in the name of the customer and have them pick them up. And we have customers who have enjoyed and benefited from this. A matter of fact, it was out in the public, we put it in the newspaper, we put it on radio and TV for customers who have benefited. And we have testimonies all over on this cashback program. It continues, we've never stopped it. We will continue to do it as long as the customer has had the policy for 24 months without a claim. And that continues even as we go on in the business.
That's our time on the program this week. Many thanks for being a part of it. Join us again, same time, same station next week for a fresh package. In the meantime, feel free as always to connect with us on all our social media platforms. If you miss any part of today's broadcast, not to worry, you can watch it on our YouTube channel, Almond Finance TV. My name is Lucy Olube, and until next week, please stay safe. Wash your hands regularly if possible, or use hand sanitizer. Wear a face mask if you must go out, and together we can and we will defeat this virus. Please do your part. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.